first ever brand ambassador in our country for this organization. And the key word here is organization. There's a lot of, at various levels, people take a lot, talk a lot, discuss a lot. There's a lot of people who have visions, but there is an organization here that continuously has executed and managed to achieve in their own unique and small way to make sure that the earth is a better place to live in, and it's at a global level. Predominantly we talk about India today, like they spoke about renewable energy. That's a very, very important aspect that can give a better future to our children and our future generations. When he does talk about me being somebody for the youth, I know the youth is very rebellious. They tend not to listen to our elders, like I never listened to my parents when it comes to certain things. But I know our children can influence a generation above us, and they will think about their children that they would like to benefit and leave something as beautiful as what we've acquired. And that's pretty much where the message comes in. It's not about today, tomorrow, day after. It's about starting today, and it's something that can resonate for many years ahead. And I know it sounds very philosophical, but I'm almost 30 and I have to think about the future, and I'm sure every 20-year-old kid eventually will be 30 and will think ahead. So if I can park that thought, if I can start a change, even however small it is, and move it forward, it will continue to resonate in every child's mind, and they can influence their parents and their future friends, family, etc. in their own small unique way. Like I was telling you, when we brush our teeth, just switching off the tap, that's as simple as starting out. So Earth Hour is pretty much almost like a wake-up call. It's just supposed to serve as that. You take an hour out of your life to give back to this environment, to this earth that gives you so much, and it's just a small stepping stone. Hopefully in this association that I have with them, I'll be able to inspire and kind of educate at a basic level, so people don't find it a formality or अरे यार बोल मत करो पकाओ मत जैसे आप सब लोग थोड़े बोरे वाली बातें सुन ले नहीं जा सब चलेगा मैं चीज़ the fact honestly remains is inspiring the youth is not easy, because the youth has a mind of their own. It's about influencing them with genuine knowledge and information that they can take ahead. And this organization has done that for many years, so they have a stamp of approval from the world. And I'm very, very happy and very, very proud to be a part of this movement in my own small way. So thank you for coming out and allowing me to start spreading my message in my own way. Thank you so much. जी ज़हन में बहुत सारी चीज़ें आती हैं और बहुत सारे ख्याल आते हैं, बट मौके बहुत कम मिलते हैं जो इस तरह के स्केल पे, जहाँ पे आपको पता है कि आप जो हर बार आप बाहर निकल कुछ बोलोगे तो उसका फायदा भरपूर लोगों को होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल देयर आर थाउजेंड्स ऑफ हाउसेज इन द सुंदरबंस, वन बिल्डिंग, वन पर्सन बिल्डिंग. सोचिए एक सोलर पैनल लगेगा तो कितने लोगों के घर जेन्युइनली रोशनी से भर सकते हैं, कितने बच्चे पढ़ाई कर सकते हैं और कितने बच्चे शेर से रात को डरेंगे नहीं और चैन की नींद सो सकते हैं. So it has to come together in the correct way also. We as our generation and this profession allows us to be influential in many ways. In a good way, you want to step out and do the best thing possible to influence people. I think this was something that made complete sense last year also when it happened. I didn't think that they would come back, and that's why I'm overwhelmed. I genuinely didn't anticipate that, and that's what I asked them today upstairs. I said, was it that successful the last time? And they said yes, because there's a certain amount of traction they got from you guys. That is very important as well. The media also stood up and took notice. It's the first time they had somebody at this age group doing it. And obviously social media helps. The fact that I want to do more than just an hour. I want to be able to do things every couple of months, every couple of weeks in my own small way to keep continuing. So it just has to create awareness, and I'm very willing to go to any extent. I think with this organization, they have the same kind of vision in mind. It's not just the charity aspect, it's about educating people. It's about also what I spoke to him today was there are a lot of job opportunities available. A lot of people are not aware that it's not just a charity, it's a genuine organization, and that's what I've been harping on, is because I feel there's a lot of potential within WWF for people to come and work, people who are fond of wildlife, people who are fond of doing something for the environment, people who are studying towards helping the environment. This is a huge stepping stone for the younger generation to start out. So at a lot of levels it made a lot of sense to me, and that's why I'm very, very honored and happy to be here for this week.